Aloha everybody. We are at the old Kahuku Sugar Mill checking out food trucks. There's three that we think that you folks should really check out. First one is Maries Baja Fish Tacos. Second one is D&L Seafood. And third is Aloha Rolls. Check this out.
Hi there, aloha.
How's it?
How are you?
Good, good. How are you?
Good.
Sorry, just checking out the menu.
Yeah, no worries. If you guys have any questions, let us know. We get beer battered ono, fish tacos, burritos, veggie bowls.
Veggie too.
And we also do jumbo shrimp,
What,
real garlic, real butter.
what
Serve
kind
them with coconut rice, or we can put them in the burritos and tacos as well.
of coconut rice? That sounds so good. Oh my gosh, it's good.
A veggie bowl too.
Oh, they got the shrimp too.
Yeah, veggie bowl.
I like that.
Yeah,
That looks good, John.
About that too?
We can get it started for you too.
Can I?
Yeah.
Do you guys sell the what kind of rice
It comes in the bowl that
Oh,
you're
it
getting
is?
ready. So in that bowl you get fresh cut cabbage, jack cheddar cheese. It comes with black beans, coconut rice,
Yeah.
and then it has guacamole, salsa fresca, and then you're gonna get your jumbo shrimp on top, and then crema, the Mexican sour cream.
yeah. Sounds good.
Everything all together.
It's amazing.
Sounds good.
Ooh.
That's what we're doing.
Ooh, awesome.
And I need a picture for my Facebook.
Put in the sun there.
Right on.
That's what we're doing over here.
That's cool.
That looks so good.
Awesome.
All right, let me get you guys a couple forks.
Okay, good.
Wait. Let me put this down. Sorry.
Kinda
Thank
heavy.
you.
Yeah,
Got it, yeah.
Thank you. I can't wait to try this. That looks so
Forks you guys can share. You guys
good.
care for some hot sauce?
Oh, cool. Love the forks.
I don't like hot. You like hot sauce?
No, I'm good.
No,
Okay.
no hot sauce for us.
No problem. All right, you guys are good. A couple napkins,
Yep.
maybe?
Cool. I like
Yep.
these. Yep. Yes, please.
Thank you so much.
Oh, thank you
All right,
so
enjoy.
much.
Yeah,
We
thank
will.
you.
Fork right there. You got some napkins.
Could I just get that? Oh, that looks so
See, it looks just as good, if not better than the pictures.
What do you call
Yeah.
that? Look how big this shrimp is. Oh my god, it's huge.
Oh,
Look at that.
wow.
I'm sorry, I made a mess of it. I couldn't wait. So
I
was
saw it.
eating while you're walking.
I saw it before. Don't worry.
Mmm.
Looks good.
Mmm. Good.
Okay, you gotta share.
Mm-hmm. I probably shouldn't have put that whole shrimp in my mouth. It was huge.
Oh,
So good though.
sorry. I'm gonna bite this one though.
Mm. And I like this coconut rice. I don't know if you can taste it, but if you get like the plain parts, it's good.
Oh, this is really good.
Coconut rice.
This is really good.
Mm-hmm. It's got a little bit of spice, like I think it's Baja style.
Mm.
It's good. As this one is healthy. It's a lot of vegetables and beans. It's good job.
Really good. I like all the vegetables and beans and stuff in here too.
And
The coconut rice is good.
the guacamole
Mm.
and yeah, it's tons of stuff in here. Lots of ingredients.
Cool. Mm. That's so good.
It is good.
How's it? Just checking out the menu.
Right on. Film it for somebody.
My YouTube channel.
Oh, right on.
Yeah. Haven't walked over here yet, so it was raining out. We went to Wahiwa for a pineapple festival thing.
Oh, right on.
But they rained out, so we're like, oh, we gotta find something else to do. So keep driving.
What is your YouTube channel?
Oh yeah, I'll give you my card.
Right on. Good, you can post us up.
Yeah. Wow, I didn't realize I had so many trucks out over here.
Yeah.
Yeah, get a lot of mainland people watching, and So people from Japan too. Wow, that's awesome. Thank you.
Yeah, try them. See it fresh. That's a soy and then a spicy.
Mmm,
Only do 2 types of here.
that's good.
Have to come tourists.
Mm. Oh, that's good.
Put them on the window.
Wow, that's good. That's good.
Yeah. Everything I make fresh.
Oh, okay.
All authentic, all our Hawaiian food. We wrap our own lau, do our own.
No, here.
No, that's yours. That's yours. Next time you come.
I make sure I put you guys on there.
Yeah,
Thank you.
come. Yeah, tell them DNL Seafood. This is our 14th day open right there.
Oh, so you guys are
This one
a
open.
couple weeks. Oh, okay.
Yeah, we just went open.
Okay, I'll put
Yeah.
this out sooner then.
Yeah. And then we try to do live music every after Mother's Day. The next weekend we're gonna do every other week. Gonna be Saturdays 4 to 7.
Okay.
So if you like come and film, show the
Okay.
music. I'm trying right now. Forget Darren Benitez
Oh.
for the first one.
Wow.
Yeah,
Okay.
trying. Yeah.
Wow. Okay.
So if you know any local group, they like play, they come out here, we pay them for them.
Yeah.
They
Okay.
come. Yeah.
Oh,
Good
that's
you do that. That's good marketing right there.
I just do it because we like to walk around and see things
Yeah,
and
places, yeah,
yeah,
things,
yeah, and then we share it, with our viewers and stuff. That's just good.
Thank you.
This is really good.
All our own.
Okay, I'm gonna share this.
Yes, go ahead. Yeah.
Right
Any
on.
couple more forks. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Ah, thank you
Yes,
guys.
yeah.
Okay.
Next time come, I got to.
Okay.
Every weekend we get crab legs.
Okay.
Yeah, only on Saturday, Sunday, but.
Okay. I'll
Yeah.
put this out sooner.
Yes. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah,
Okay.
hit us up, but we stay on get our Instagram.
Instagram. Oh, you're on Instagram.
Yeah,
Okay.
Instagram is DN, the letter NL.
NL.
Yeah, it's DNL.
DNL. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So hit us up and we put you in and you can.
Okay. Yeah. Okay.
Okay, bye. What's your name?
Luke.
Luke. Don, bro. Don.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Hey, Luke.
Oh, this is from DNL Seafood. They hooked me up with some poke. This is really good poke. You guys gotta try this out. Mmm. So good.
Explosion in your mouth, Austin?
Wow.
Really good?
Mm-hmm. Hi, just looking at the menu.
Well, I'm
Oh.
curious. What is an ice cream roll?
Ice cream roll is like it's technically just ice cream, but it's rolled into a roll, and then there's different types of toppings and flavors below that is shown.
Oh, so it's like a log shape
Yeah, it's like,
thing.
yeah, ice cream rolls. Like,
Oh.
there's like
Take one.
5 of them inside,
Another one.
and then there's whipped cream and all kinds of toppings, and there's different flavors.
What's the best seller? Probably the chocolate. Right?
Oh.
Probably the chocolate.
It's a unicorn magic.
Unicorn?
Believe it or not.
Yeah. Okay, I'll try that one. Can I try that one?
Yeah.
Pop Austin. It has pop rocks on it. That's interesting.
That'll be $8.40.
He'll like that. The pop rocks.
Thank you.
Pretty. Thank you. Oh my God! Look at that. It's like a rainbow in a bowl.
That's cool.
Oh my God! Oh, look at that. Look how
Try
it's
it.
the ice cream. Look, Austin.
You're the
This is strawberry ice cream. Look at that. They made rolls.
That's amazing.
Oh my God, it's good. Wow, this is interesting. That's why they were flattening it out on that board.
Oh, that's cool.
Oh, that's yours.
Save it.
Oh, it's so good.
Yeah.
It's like a birthday ice cream with all the sprinkles and the confetti, the beads. So good. Oh, I think this is gonna be popular. It's good, yeah.
Does it taste like ice cream?
It does.
It does taste like ice cream? Cool.
It's fruity, yeah, I would say. It goes good. Everything goes good.
Alright.
We're still kind of trying to figure out our hours right now, but we're
Okay.
looking more towards like 12 to like 7, 12 to 8. Depends how good the day runs, but
Like every day, Monday through
yeah,
Sunday?
Monday
Oh,
through
good.
Sunday. But yeah, I mean, we're kind of
Oh, it's so
open to it.
good.
Yeah, that's one of actually my favorites. My
We gotta spread the word. 'Cause
yeah, it's really.
yeah, we just happened upon this place.
Everyone's like, oh, what is the roast? But
Yeah.
it actually originated from Thailand.
Oh, okay.
So they started off in Thailand making it, and then it got brought to the United States, and then they started to now slowly like franchise out to like all these different places, and everyone else started to make it. And well, not really franchise. There's some places that does franchise it, but then we just kind of made our own, and we just made it locally here. And then we try to gear more of our menu towards locals and the tourists.
Yeah. Thank you.
So good.
Okay. Thanks, guys. Bye. Okay.
Here, let me hold my food. Okay, thank
Whoa.